Ever wondered how communities around the world are taking finance into their own hands, bypassing traditional banking systems and creating their own prosperity? Welcome to the fascinating world of Chamas and table banking. Imagine a system where you and your friends or neighbors pool together resources, creating a pot of money that each one of you can tap into when needed. This is the essence of Chamas and table banking, two financial models that originated in Africa. The term chama, a Swahili word, translates to group or body, and it perfectly encapsulates the essence of this finance model, a collective effort. On the other hand, table banking, particularly popular in Kenya, involves members bringing their savings to a meeting, loaning out available funds and repaying with interest. These self-help systems are more than just community finance models. They are a testament to the power of unity, trust, and cooperation, fostering prosperity from within the community itself. Now let's dive deeper into the mechanisms of these intriguing financial systems. Chamas, a Swahili word for groups, is essentially a group of people who pool their resources together on a regular basis. But what's the logic behind it? Well, let's dive right in. Chamas operate under a concept known as rotating savings and credit associations, or ROSCAs. Here's how it works. A group of people come together to form a chama. Each member contributes a fixed amount of money into a common pool at regular intervals. The entire amount collected is then given to a single member of the group. This rotation continues until every member has received the collective sum once. The cycle can then begin anew. This system, as simple as it sounds, has profound implications. First, it encourages saving. Each member knows they need to contribute a certain amount at each meeting. This compels them to save and avoid unnecessary expenditure. It's like a forced but friendly savings plan. Second, it provides a safety net. Life is unpredictable and financial emergencies can crop up when least expected. Having a lump sum coming your way at a predetermined time can be a lifesaver. It could be used for anything from starting a small business, paying for education, or even handling a medical emergency. Third, it fosters a sense of community. Members of the chama are not just financial associates, they become a supportive network. They share in each other's joys, provide comfort in times of distress, and often help each other make wise financial decisions. The bond that develops in a chama extends far beyond the financial realm. Lastly, chamas provide an avenue for investment. The pooled funds can be used to invest in ventures that individual members may not have been able to afford alone. This way, everyone shares in the risk and also in the reward. So, that's Chamas for you. A simple yet effective way to save and invest as a community. It's more than just a financial tool, it's a social instrument that brings people together, helping them navigate through life's financial journey together. Table banking, on the other hand, is slightly different but equally fascinating. Ever imagined a bank without walls or bureaucracy? That's table banking for you. This innovative financial system operates with a simple yet effective approach. It's all about pooling resources together, one table at a time. So how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. Members of a table banking group convene regularly, often on a monthly basis. At each meeting, everyone contributes a specified amount to a central fund. This fund, right then and there, forms a pool of money that members can borrow from. It's like your own personal bank, except it's on a table, and your fellow members are your bankers. Now you may be wondering, what about the loans? Well, that's where it gets interesting. Members can apply for loans, which are usually short-term and attract a low interest rate. This interest, however, isn't pocketed by some high-ranking executive. Instead, it's paid back into the fund, increasing the amount available for members to borrow in the future. This system has several distinct advantages. Firstly, it's accessible. There's no need for complex paperwork or stringent credit checks. If you're a member, you're eligible. Secondly, it's flexible. The terms of the loan can be adjusted according to the borrower's ability to repay. Lastly, but certainly not least, it's empowering. Table banking fosters a sense of financial independence among its members, encouraging savings and prudent borrowing. But it's not just about the money. It's about the community. It's about ordinary people coming together, pooling their resources and helping each other out. It's about trust, cooperation, and mutual support. It's about empowering individuals and transforming communities. In essence, table banking is a community-driven approach to finance that empowers its members and fosters financial independence.